Exploring the difference between in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of the English language, understanding the difference between phrases. These phrases are crucial for comparing and contrasting ideas, objects, or concepts, and mastering them can significantly enhance your communication skills. Let's explore how to use these expressions effectively to clarify distinctions and make your English more precise. The phrase, difference between, is used to highlight distinctions or dissimilarities between two or more things. It sets the stage for a comparison, focusing on what sets the subjects apart rather than what they have in common. When we talk about the difference between two things, we're interested in the unique characteristics or features that make each stand out. To use difference between correctly, you should follow it with the two subjects you are comparing. It's often structured in sentences like, "The difference between cats and dogs is that cats are more independent." One key difference between English and Spanish is the pronunciation of the letter J. Remember, after stating the difference between the subjects, you should clearly explain the specific distinctions. This clarity helps your listener or reader understand exactly what sets the subjects apart. Let's look at some examples to see how difference between is used in various contexts. Academic writing. The difference between qualitative and quantitative research lies in their methods and approaches toward data. Daily conversation. Do you know the difference between an espresso and a latte? Business communication. Understanding the difference between cost and value can significantly impact our pricing strategy. These examples show that difference between can be used in a wide range of situations, from casual conversations to more formal or academic settings. Grasping the difference between phrases is a valuable skill in English that allows you to compare and contrast ideas effectively. It enriches your vocabulary and enhances your ability to communicate nuanced differences. We hope this video has illuminated how to use these expressions in various contexts and that you feel more confident in applying them in your English conversations. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing to become even more fluent in English.